An ordinary six-sided dice is rolled and a 10p coin is flipped. Create a probability space diagram for this situation. Calculate the probability of tossing a head and rolling an even number. The probability space diagram is just a table, and on this table will be the outcomes of what happens when we roll our dice and when we flip our coin. When we roll a dice, we can get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Let me just extend this table. For the coin, we can either get a head or a tail. The probability space diagram has to show all outcomes. So for instance, in this top left corner, I would fill in head 1. And then going along the row, they are all heads, but they are corresponding to a different number on the dice. And finally head 6. I do exactly the same thing for the tails. So tails and 1, tails and 2, tails and 3, tails and 4, tails and 5, tails and 6. It then asks, calculate the probability of tossing a head and rolling an even number. So I'm going to look in my table and see where a head and an even number occurred. Here I have head and an even number 2. Here I have head and the even number 4. And here I have head and the even number 6. So the probability that we're after, so the probability of head and even is 3 out of a possible 12 scenarios, outcomes even, which we know we can simplify down to 1/4.